Hi guys, I'm back with another video. Today's video is a wig review, and today's wig is from FANCIVIVI. Before we get into the wig, I want to show you guys some of the goodies they give you. So they give you 2 wig caps, they give you some lashes, and then some hair jewelry. So cute. And then they give you a black bonnet, and then they give you a headband which you can lay your edges down. This wig, I can already tell, is about to be bomb. I can already tell. You don't even have to get off of me. You don't even. Oh, okay. This is about to be good. So today we are reviewing a 36-inch braided knotless, small knotless braids with curly ends. What the heck? Look at that. Look at the curly ends, you guys. Oh my gosh. And look how good this lace is. We need to get into that. Like, that looks like scalp. Like, is it scalp? Did they scalp me? Like, oh my gosh. But yes, so these are small knotless box braids on a 360 lace wig, okay? So let's get into this wig cap review, all right? So we have 2 combs on the side. We have a comb in the back with 2 elastic bands, elastic straps. And then we have an elastic band, adjustable, with some grippy, so it can really grip your head. It ain't going nowhere, baby. It comes with a lot of baby hairs, so if you are very fond of baby hairs on wigs, there you go. I am not, so I will not be using these baby hairs, but that is okay. All right, so they have a lot of baby hairs for you to work with, and you can cut it to the length you desire. They have baby hairs in the back, so if you want to put it up and have a little baby hair action, cute. Like, this looks amazing, and this is very soft. And the wig is not heavy at all, from what I can tell. So I'm just gonna adjust this band right here so it can fit my head a little better. All right. So let's put this bad boy on, okay? There we go. It's already giving scalp. All right, I didn't even cut the lace yet. This is what it's looking like. So it comes literally to about my hips, not my shoulders. Girl, what? About my hips. I can't show you guys with full frame. I'm standing on my tippy toes right now, okay? But yes, this is what the curly ends look like. They're super cute. I love this hairstyle. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I'm just gonna cut this lace right now. Like I said, I'm gonna push the baby hairs out of the way. I am not too fond of baby hairs on wigs. I really don't, care for them. Because first of all, I don't know how to do them. That's 1. And 2, I just think some wigs look better without the baby hairs because it makes it look more realistic. But if you like baby hairs, then obviously don't cut them off. Whatever. I'm gonna cut this right here, and it is a 360 wig, so I am gonna cut the back too. All right, so I cut all of the lace off, so I'm gonna put some foundation so it can make it look like for real light scalp. I already did some on my wig cap. I'm not worried about the back since I'm not going anywhere as of right now. But if you are going somewhere, make sure you get, the wig cap all covered in foundation. Or you can tint the lace or tint these, whatever. And make sure you get everywhere on this 360, okay? All right, so I'm just gonna take some foundation and just dab, dab, dab. Really making sure I get the front since that's what I'm focused on right now. But like I said, if you're gonna be wearing this out, in public, you obviously want it to look realistic as possible. So, I'm just gonna take some of this and do it like this. So you can also, you know, tint this if you would like. So this is, oh my, this looks so good. Are you kidding me? Okay, so this is what it looks like with foundation on it. So you can see, it looks very realistic, looks very, very, very good. Oh my gosh. And I got some little baby hairs right here. The hair, you guys, this wig, I kid you not, it's not even heavy. That's what's like getting me low key, that it's not heavy, because like you would expect a braided wig to be heavy, but this is so light, it's ridiculous. It's probably lighter than like getting braids put into your head, not gonna lie. But this is the length of it, and it just looks so freaking good. And the braids, this is what the braids look like. They're so neat. Look at that. Oh my gosh, they're so neat. They look so good. And I love these curly ends. So cute. Oh my gosh, Also, they don't advertise their wigs as glueless, but to me, it's gonna be glueless, okay? I feel like you don't need to really glue it down. Just make sure that the bands are tight, which is like how I have them now. And they look flat. They look good, as you can see. We all about no glue. You know, glueless is always the way. So I wear these glueless because I believe that you can wear it glueless. All right, you can wear any wig glueless if you really want to. But, so that's why I didn't, you know, lay it down or anything like that. But this wig is a grab and go if you don't want to sit in the chair for hours and hours, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 hours to get some knotless braids. Don't want to keep paying every time you want braids. Get this wig, get this wig. It's so cute and I love it so much already. Oh my gosh. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Everything about this wig will be in the description box down below. Like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.